Assalamualaikum दोस्तों, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to revise some important formulas for your assessment for learning paper in B.Ed semester 2. So our first formula is mean that is also represented by capital X bar is equals to AM, that is assumed mean, plus summation FD by N multiplied by I, where F is the frequency of mean class interval, assumed mean class interval, then D is the deviation of the score from the assumed mean divided by the I, that is D is equals to XI minus AM by I, and our I is the length of the class interval and N is the total frequency. So this is the formula for mean. Next is median. Median, that is MDN, is equals to L plus N by 2 minus FB divided by FA multiplied by I. So here L is the exact lower limit of the class interval in which median lies, and by 2 1/2 of the total number of observations. Next, FB is our cumulative frequency of preceding the median class. FA is the actual frequency of median class, and I is the length of the interval. So this is the formula for median. Next is mod. Mod is equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay, next is percentile, that is PP, that is percentile point. Okay, PP is equals to L plus Pn by 100 minus FB divided by FA multiplied by I. So here PP required percentile point. Next, L is the lower limit of percentile class. N is the total number of all frequencies. FB is the cumulative frequency before the percentile class or preceding the percentile class. Next, FF, that is FA. Okay, so our FA is the actual frequency of the percentile class. Next, P, small p, is the number of the percentile which has to be calculated. That will be given in the question. Now next is the percentile rank, PR of the score X, PR of X. So PR of X is equals to 100 by N in bracket F plus X minus L by I multiplied by F. Okay, here PR, percentile rank for the desired score X. Okay, that is to be calculated and X will be given. FB or F, capital F, is the cumulative frequency below the interval containing score X. So here first we have to find the interval in which X lie. Okay, then X is the score for which we want PR, and L is the exact lower limit of the interval containing X, and I is the size of class interval, that is the length of the class interval, and F is the actual frequency of the CI containing X. So this is all about percentile rank. Next formula is rank difference method. Okay, that is a coefficient of correlation by Spearman's rank difference method. So coefficient of correlation is represented by rho or R is equals to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n into n square minus 1, where R is the coefficient of correlation that is to be calculated, D is the rank difference, means R1 minus R2, n is the total number of students. Next is Z score. Z score is equals to X minus M, that is X. Here is X is the score and M is the mean, SD is the standard deviation. Okay, so X minus M divided by ST. Now next T score. So relationship between T score and Z score is T score is equals to 10Z plus 50. So these all are the important formulas for your assessment for learning paper. All the best for your examination and revise these formulas. Thanks for watching.